Commander, the seismic activity is spiking exponentially. The magma chamber is destabilizing. The eruption is accelerating. The lava flow will reach the city within the hour.
All units, this is Rexstone. Initiate emergency evacuation protocol Gamma. We need to accelerate the evacuation. The lava flow is increasing.
The temperature spike is exponential, Commander. We have less than an hour.
That lava flow is accelerating. Sparky, get those readings. Kai, secure the perimeter. The escape tunnel is located here, Commander. We can use it to bypass their defenses.
All right.
The seismic activity is spiking exponentially, Commander. The core is destabilizing faster than predicted.
Run! The lava is coming! It's melting the street! Help!
Commander, the lava flow! It's moving faster than we predicted. It's much closer now.
Okay, cosmic frequency confirms it. The access tunnel is directly below. Stand back, I'm opening it. Look out! The wall up there is unstable!
Easy, Kai. We need to move past it quietly. Stay low and follow my lead.
The flow rate is exponential. At this velocity, the outer rim will be compromised within the hour. We have to reroute the cooling system now.
The flow is accelerating, Commander! Get out of there! You heard her. Move! We're advancing to the main shaft. Over here! The ladder! Let's go!
It's too fast! The lava is already consuming the outer sector!
Commander, the lava has reached the city limits.
All units, proceed to the cooling system control room immediately. Melting the main city streets. It's only blocks away. We're running out of time.
Got it! The magma flow is accelerating. Reroute auxiliary power to the main coolant loop now. Reroute the geothermal sensors.
The conduits are failing. I can't get stabilization.
Override it now, Sparky.
It's going through, Commander. We have green.
Hurry, Sparky! Connect the coupling now!
I'm trying. Just another centimeter. Got it! did it, Ava. The core is stabilized.
I heard. I'm just glad we made it in time, Rex.
Well done, both of you. We make a good team.
Anytime, Commander. Let's move.
Ready?